Hey y'all! Hi! Hi everyone! Good morning! We are doing an unboxing video. I'm your host, Staylicious. I will be hosting. We are doing February 2020 Grunge Premiere Kit. Not just for boys kit club. I'm Staylicious. I'm your coffee drinker for this morning, and I am your influencer for Instagram. I got my little bow just because I'm all that and a little bit more. All right, here we go. You get this awesome box in the mail. Super duper. Yeehaw. Not just for boys kit club. Also, if you have girls, it's perfectly fine. Don't tell anyone though. It'll be our little secret. This is how you get your kit. Yay! So this is the Grunge. Did I say Grunge? It's $35 this month. Ooh. Ooh, so much to see. Look at that. That's what you get. It comes in a Ziploc. And the tissue you can use for a layout as well. All right, here we go. Let's do this, shall we? I'm going to take it all out and do the thing. How's everyone's morning? I hope you are well. Let's see. We have got, I need the readers, because you know, once you hit 40, oh, look. I love it. It's all grungy. It's bicycle gears. Oh my God, I love! My husband rides a bicycle. I could use that in my layout. Uh-oh, look at that. Uh-oh, movie. Are you kidding me? Movie washi? Film strip? Oh, cute. Cute, cute. Ooh, this is, I love a tag. Are you kidding? Yes. Tags, little arrows, anything ephemera. Give it to me. Give it all to me. Stars, little wooden star buttons. Cute. Very nice. Oh, look at the nails. Oh, look at your nails stay. They're just, wait a minute. Uh-oh. Look. Oh, I get distracted. Let's see. We've got stamps. Work, play hard. And then we've got some sprockets. X's. Little gears. A star. Very nice. These are little felt dudes. Oh my God. Cool. Rad. Smile. Stars. Arrows, little diamonds. Oh yeah, nice. And those all go with the color, the pages. That's gonna match up perfect. All right, don't get ahead of yourself. All right. Uh-oh, these are cute die cuts from Kaiser Craft. Nice. Collectibles Workshop, Hero, bicycles, airplane. Oh my gosh, it's really cool. Die cut shapes and their various sizes. Excellent. And then we've got thickers. These are family. There's 148 puffy phrase and accent stickers. Thickers are awesome. ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. I love it. And it's like a gold or a copper, shiny metallic. Oh, this is good. This is Reminisce. Country Life, Rustic Beauty. Look at that. I love a shabby, chic, antique. Look at that side. Awesome. We've got a little graph. Simple Stories, Snap Basic, Hickory Cream Grid. And look at the wood. Who doesn't love the wood grain? Come on. It's perfect. Uh-oh. I really like this. Film strip. Isn't that cool? Oh yeah, I like that. Reminisce. Scrapbook paper. Picture perfect. And then we've got a light blue kind of color. This is a gearhead third gear from Reminisce. This is gray. And that one's black. Awesome. Cool. It's got little squares on it too, so you can kind of cut out your page for your layout. Ooh, that's neat. And then we've got Dots and Stripes, Molasses Stripes, Echo Park, Paper Company. Ooh, nice. And that's like a brown and black. And this is a white and black. Very cool. This is Authentique Collection Mr. 10. You have to be a man before you can be a gentleman. John Wayne said that. There's little diamonds. Can you see that? The little diamonds? I don't know if you can. But there's diamonds on the back. This is all 12 by 12. This is really nice cardstock. Cardstock? I don't know if it's cardstock. It's a great weight. Wolf Pack from Heidi Swapp, American Crafts. We've got a wood grain. And we've got a black and white polka dot. That reminds me of a cow. Okay, double dot from Bo Bunny. 12-inch charcoal chevron. Well, that's the dots on that side. But this is the charcoal chevron. Look at that. It's kind of confusing. It's my dress is playing with it too. Ooh, and this is cool. This is the die cut. Look at that. Star and film strip. It looks like one. It is two pieces. Count them. 1, 2. So the star is one, and then the strip is another. That is cute. Really good stuff this month. Yay! Bye. I hope you have a fun day. Everybody take care. Be blessed.